Hi everybody, I'm Jared Dillingham in Sedona today, taking you on one of the most famous and iconic hikes in the state of Arizona. Devil's Bridge in Sedona, Arizona is a natural sandstone arch formation which has become a world-famous hiking destination. It's accessible to most people of all ages with a trail that's only moderately challenging, but there are several things to keep in mind before setting off for Sedona. Devil's Bridge has become more Insta-famous than ever, and it attracts bigger crowds than ever. There are two Trailhead parking lots a couple miles north of Sedona, Dry Creek and Mescal. Each has about 30 parking spaces, and yes, police do write tickets if you try to create your own spot. A great tip here is use the Sedona Shuttle, which now operates Thursdays through Sundays. You can park in a big lot in town and have the shuttle drop you off right at the trailhead. It eliminates the stress involved in parking here. If you have a truck or 4x4, you can drive farther down the rocky trail and park in another small lot much closer to the climb. If you come in the winter, December or January, especially on a weekday, you'll have a much better chance of finding parking. As for the trail itself, it's about 2 miles from either parking lot and mostly flat for the first mile. The relative ease of the hike to Devil's Bridge opens the doors to visitors of most abilities. In the second mile, you'll start to climb a bit, and you'll have to scramble up some rocks and steps before reaching Devil's Bridge. This is the smallest crowd I've ever seen on the rock ledge at Devil's Bridge. I've seen the rocks here just jam-packed with people forming a line to wait for their turns to go out for photos on the bridge. Again, weekdays in the winter draw the smallest crowds of the year. The bridge itself is easy to access via a trail right off to the side. Now, people who don't like heights won't like the trek across the bridge, but it is several feet wide even at its most narrow point. It's a 60 or 70 foot drop to the forest below. When it comes to photos, you'll always have willing hikers happy to take your pictures, whether you're hiking alone or with friends. And the friendly crowd will encourage you if you're not too keen on crossing the bridge. And after taking those photos, people usually sit for a while on the rocks and enjoy the uniquely stunning red rock views of Sedona.